Welcome back. Today we will be discussing a client-server communication using Java socket class. So in our client-server communication, we require two applications, two programs. One is a client program. So this is our client program, and another one is a server program. So first we need to execute the server, then the second application, the client application, should be executed. First we will discuss our client application. After that we will go for the server application. So in our Echo Client class, we have implemented the main method. Inside main method, a simple message client started is displayed. Then after that, object is created, a new client socket is created. Two arguments are required, the host name and a port name. As we are using our local machine as the client as well as server, we will be using localhost as the host name, and a port number is given here. This is the port number used in server application when server socket object is created. The same should be used over here also, because server is waiting for client request using this port number 2020. For sending an information that is ended through keyboard from the client to the server, we need to create an object for the BuffetReader class. So here BuffetReader is implemented. BuffetReader in is equal to new BuffetReader, new input stream reader of system.in. So the system.in that supports data from keyboard, so reading data from keyboard using BuffetReader object. System.in, here in is the input stream object capable of reading 1 byte of data at a time. We don't need byte information, so getting help from another class, that is our input stream reader class. Input stream reader class take byte stream as input and give as character string, but we don't want to deal with one character at a time, we need the entire string at a time. So BuffetReader class is used here. BuffetReader class object is capable of reading an entire string at a time. So in is capable of reading an entire string at a time. So in another message, the client application is prompting the user to enter a message, and that message is collected from the keyboard using BuffetReader object as well as a method supported by BuffetReader readLine. That message is stored in str, that is a string variable. For sending that data to the server, we require another class support, that is PrintWriter class. So here we have created an object for PrintWriter class. Out is equal to new PrintWriter of soc.getOutputStream, true. So here we are not using the standard output device. Instead of using output device, we will be putting the information to output stream. For that we are using the output stream object reference over here, soc.getOutputStream, true. This true is nothing but it flushes the memory buffer, or the stream is flushed each and every time. Otherwise you need to explicitly give another command, out.flush, every time when you are trying to send data to the server. Now the out.println str statement will put the data to the output stream. The sending data to the server is now over. Now after processing the information at the server, some response will be given to the client. So how we will display that information? For that, again we need to create another object of class BuffetReader. Input is equal to new BuffetReader, new input stream reader of soc.getInputStream. So here instead of using standard input devices using system.in, we are using input stream object reference, soc.getInputStream. So byte information from the input stream is collected, then that will be handled as taken as character stream, then Buffet reader will be taking those character stream and processing that as string information, entire string information, and that information is collected to a string variable strr. So here string strr is equal to input.readline. So this input.readline will get the information from the input string, and that will be stored in a variable, string variable. So that information will be displayed at the standard output device using system.out.println. Okay, so this is how the Echo client application works. Now, how our Echo server is implemented? Now we will see. Socket, server socket class supports are used here. Also IO support is there. So here in our main class, main method, one simple message is displayed waiting for clients. So after executing, first waiting for clients message will be displayed by the server. Then socket object is created, server socket object is created, SS is equal to new server socket. See the port number over here, the same port number is used when we created client object, socket object. So after creating the server socket object, we need to accept the requested client. We need to accept the client request. For that, ss.accept is used. See, ss is the server socket object, and accept is the method for accepting all the requests coming from the clients. So many clients are waiting to get serviced by the server. So client requests are coming. Upon reaching different requests, the client server should accept that using ss.accept. So socket SOC is equal to ss.accept. So after accepting the connection request, a message will be passed to the client and the connection is established. So this message will be displayed after connection, successful connection establishment. So here also the client requested information or client request will be placed in a stream. So client's output stream information is collected by the server from the input stream, server's input stream. For that we need to create another object. Here also in is the name of the object for Buffet reader, and see the get input stream reference over here. So from the input stream, server will be collecting information as bytes, then here input stream reader will process that into character, then Buffet reader will process that into string, and the message will be stored in str by in.readline method. So here the information is collected by the server and sending the same information to the client. See str, here str is collected. Suppose client is sending hello, then str will be the hello value again over here by after collecting it from server's input stream. Then the same information is sent back to the client using print writer class support. So out is equal to new print writer SOC dot get output string comma true. So here output string reference is used. Out.println will put that str value. Suppose hello is the value, then hello will be put to the output string. So that will be displayed at client. So here now suppose you need to display data from client, you need to create another Buffet reader object and read and display data instruction will be implemented here, the same as our client application. Now we will look at the applications working. So here we have two command prompts. So in one command prompt I will be executing Java server, Java Echo server application. So here waiting for clients. See here Java Echo client started, enter a message waiting for user input. See here upon starting client application, the server says connection established. And now I am trying hello. We will give it in caps hello, enter. See, this file, first hello sent to the server reads the information, and the same information is put back to the output stream. From the client's input stream, now client is able to read the same message that is coming from the server. This is how the simple server client application is executed. Once again we will try Java Echo Server, waiting for client. Now here Java Echo Client, connection established. See, connection established over here. See here, client started, enter a message 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. See, the server completed its processing, that sends the information collected from the client to the output stream, and from there client is reading those information, so that is echoed. So the same information is displayed again by the client that is coming from the server. Okay.